my next DIY, you're gonna need to drink all the wine. You're gonna need to collect all these wine bottles. Here are the supplies you're gonna need for this DIY. You're gonna need your wine bottles. You're gonna wanna take all your labels off. Make sure you get all this good stuff off too. You're gonna want spray paint. I'm choosing black for this. And you're gonna want a glue gun and lots of glue sticks. So I've taken off my wine bottle labels and I'm ready to start the next process, which is using my glue gun. I'm going to take my glue gun and just start covering the bottle with thick globs of glue. Like let it drip wherever. And the key is to just make sure you got it really thick. There's literally no rhyme or reason to this. Just keep going with your glue gun and just add as much glue as you want. You can drip it down as far as you want. Okay, so another method is to just put a big, nice big glob at the top and just kind of let it drip down itself. And then you can just kind of keep adding. And like I said, I'm gonna go pretty far down on this just because it's a taller bottle. You literally cannot mess this up. You can go in and go back over the top of some of the ones you've done. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. You can just keep adding as much or as little as you want. Takes a whole lot of glue sticks. Okay, so once I'm done gluing, I'm left with this finished product right here. So the final step in this is just taking our matte black spray paint and spray painting our bottle.